Welcome happy campers, it's me Amanda here with Cookeville RV Marine, and today we're taking an inside look into the new 2022 Grand Design Solitude 3330RE. Before we get started, don't forget, hit that like button and that subscribe button and leave a comment below. What do you think about this new floor plan? But we're gonna get started right now with the outdoor entertainment space. So check out this Solitude in all of its glory. It has one giant awning that covers your entrance all the way to the front cap. You have also outdoor speakers underneath your awning, and you pretty much don't have to run into problems with your outdoor space and this rear slide. This is your rear entertainment slide, so it's really no big deal. We also have a step above step system that helps keep this rig from tipping and going forwards and backwards when people go in and out. Safety grab handle. But other than that, let's check out the storage. Here we are at the pass-through storage. Again, it's pretty standard in here. We have two LED lights. The battery disconnect is on this side. On that side, you have the auto leveling system and your convenience bay with everything you need. And the only difference I see in here is this color of this vinyl flooring. Again, it's fully cleanable. You can always spray it out, sweep it out. But I like that they added the black instead of a normal lighter colored vinyl. Super different. I love it. Let's step inside. And here we are inside this beautiful Solitude. So a few things I want to point out right when we step in. We've got our normal exterior door with a screen door attached. The exterior door has a really nice window, but again, there's no shade that comes standard on this. You have to get it prefabbed afterwards. But moving on, we have our control panel, of course, in the regular space, and our one-touch control system on the opposite wall, like usual, and a few other switches in different areas, just like a regular Solitude. But one thing I wanted to touch on is all of this open space. So this floor plan, which is new, reminds me of Reflections. They often have their dinette table here or the freestanding one where you can convert it. But I prefer this, one, because of the height, it's very tall people friendly, and two, because of all the floor space it gives you to be able to add in maybe some extra storage solutions if you use this as an office. But I appreciate the walk-through room, especially in an entertaining fifth wheel such as this one. Imagine all the fun you could have with you and your friends and family in this Solitude. Check out this entertainment space. This is an RE, rear entertainment. Both of these pull out into large beds, and we have our favorite theater seating. I love the colors of this accent. And you have a little bit of a different option on this side. We've got larger windows to look outside to our outdoor entertainment space. And on the other side, we have a little bit more storage space up top for extra bedding and even a place for your guests to put their things so they don't feel like everything's in the way. Also, we have a very beautiful entertainment space with a really large TV. Of course, we've got our lights and our switches all front and center. A fireplace down below that is an extra heating option, and our outdoor entertainment speakers and indoor speakers, our controls are right there. Lots and lots of space both besides and around, so we can fit board games, we can fit DVDs or even puzzles if you're into puzzles. So this camper definitely is equipped for a full-time RVer, but let's check out that kitchen. Of course, our Solitude has a pantry. I really love these open drawers, that soft close back there, and we've got our removable and customizable shelving here. And of course, I love the lights that come in there. We have lots of countertop space next to our stove option, which is a 3-burner top Furrion stove. I love the splash guard, especially since they added this window back here, so you don't have to worry about cleaning the blinds and the window, but you can also have a really nice view when you're cooking. Down below here is just some normal storage, as well as below here for our pots and pans. Above, we have a Furrion microwave with more storage here. This will fit a large size dinner plate and plenty of cups and everything we need. And up here, I really enjoy how nowadays in the camper, they show you where they plug in the microwave. So if you wanted to switch this out, the plug is right there. It should be really easy if you needed that. So moving on, we do have a residential size fridge in this particular one. Again, these things change. So we have a Samsung in this one. You could have another brand, or if you opt for the RV fridge option, that's there too. And I love this kitchen space. The sink space is amazing. We've got a really large sink with a split down the middle. I love the black faucet, and of course all of this storage space above and below There's even enough room for a trash can down here. They added a little extra places for your sponges when you're doing your dishes. And there's definitely plenty of drawers that can make into utensil drawers. And we have underlit cabinet lighting here, so you can see right into your drawers every time you open them up. And we're gonna take a little bit of a closer look into our dinette option, which this is sort of a desk option in my mind, because we have 2 holes on each side. That is perfect for plugging in laptops, monitors, or anything else you want to have up here, whether it be gaming consoles or anything. 2 chairs come standard, and on each side underneath we have 2 USB ports and an outlet. So this is really awesome, and they placed it perfectly underneath our natural lighting source, which is this magnificent skylight up here. So you will have nothing but lighting, and you don't even have to turn on your lights during the day to get your work done. But let's check out the bathroom. Here I am in the bathroom, the only bathroom of this Solitude, but this camper sleeps 6 people, including that entertainment space. And check this out, 6 hooks for towels. So everyone has their own little space, and extra storage here that is really deep for extra towels. Anything else you take while you shower goes in there, definitely. But this is our sink area. We've got a large countertop space, so it definitely can house anything you have, whether it be straighteners, hair dryers, makeup, or anything else can fit here. And a pretty large sink, big enough to wash your hands and your face. And again, a matching faucet to the kitchen. Mirrored front medicine cabinet per usual. Love this space. But check out this shower. Again, this is my favorite type of shower. It's a fiberglass single piece shower, so you don't have to worry about seams or leaking. And I love the texture on the sides, really nice skylight, glass doors, of course, that are secure for travel, and a removable black shower head that goes up and down depending on your height. That's really awesome. And don't forget, we have a pocket door on this doorway, so our hallway doesn't have a bunch of doors going in and out of it, so I really enjoy that. But let's look into the master. Here we are in the master bedroom with this glorious king-size bed. It has its own slide, so you've got plenty of room, and your own 2 windows. Those open for some really awesome cross airflow, and there's actually one more in this room as well. Each person has their own lighting and their own side table, and I really like the look of that headboard. And underneath is lots of storage, so you may not think you have enough, but you definitely do. And let's check out the closet. This is the closet system that I've been seeing in a few more Grand Designs here lately, and I love it. It offers not only a wardrobe for each person that is mirrored front, it has a hanging rod, and it's plenty big to carry things also in the bottom of it. You have 2 drawers and a secret compartment up top, so each person has their own. And in the middle, we have a great place for a washer and dryer, whether it be a combo or a stackable, or we could use it for just the shelves, or we have a hanging option as well. So they really give you plenty of flexibility, and you stow it all away with this slidable mirror here. I really enjoy that they put a full-length mirror in a camper, so you don't have to worry about where you're gonna put one or if you're gonna have one, because I know for us girls, it's kind of important, but I really enjoy this extra feature. And there's one more storage space, which is the dresser. It has 6 more drawers in it. So if you don't think you have enough space in your wardrobe, you have this, or this could be a great place for your guests or your children, if they happen to be sleeping in the other sleeping spaces, to have their own space for their clothes. We have a TV up top. It is a smart TV, and it's at a great angle to watch a great movie before you go to sleep. And again, that extra big window that we do have our shades down. I appreciate these shades because they very much do block out all the sun. One more thing I wanted to talk about that I don't usually talk about is a lot of times in our master bedrooms, the door either stays open or it stays closed, but this camper has a magnet that attaches your door, so you don't have to worry about, even if you're going down the road, it opening and closing and slamming. You can keep the airflow well with all of your air conditioning. And I just appreciate the convenience. But what do you think about this Solitude? Do you have any questions? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to like this video. But if you have any more questions, give us a call here at Cookeville RV and Marine, or visit us online at cookvillerv.com, where your adventure awaits.